Boot up Kali Linux. Boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up Kali Linux. Now the mission starts. Red team tools, blue team smarts. Hackers test what defenders miss. Cyber war begins with the Linux disk. Kali is the OS where security lives. Packed with tools for the pros and kids, not for flex, not for show. It's where real cyber skills can grow. Nmap scans port, sees what's awake. Find weak services, spots mistakes. Wireshark reads packets, crossing the lane. Shows attacks, traffic, hidden game. Burp Suite tests websites, auth and flaws. Metasploit framework chains, exploits in legal labs. Hackers don't click random tools. They recon first, they study rules. Scan the target, map the route. Know what's in before breaking through. Password audits in the proof space. Wireless tests in your own place. Phishing simulations train the team. Blue team learns from red team schemes. Privilege escalation post exploit flow. Logs and traces defenders know. Kali helps both sides of the fight. Attack to learn how to defend right. Owning Kali don't make you elite. Knowledge and ethics make you compete. Linux basics networking first. Without foundations, tools get worse. Learn TCP, IP, DNS path. How systems fail, how packets pass. Then every tool becomes more clear. You stop guessing, start seeing fear. Use it with permission, train with care. Real pros report what they find there. Because cybersecurity's not crime or fame. It's reducing risk in the game. Kali Linux is a weapon. In the right hands it becomes protection.